All right, guys. Hey, welcome back. Right now, I am in Sam's and I am looking for some items to restock. This brisk tea is an item that I found to sell really well. I sell it for $1.75, and I was thinking about adding a couple of new items. So I'm kind of just looking around. Monster does well. The only thing about these variety packs is that you gotta buy a lot of them to have one particular flavor to fill your machine. So I usually go with this Ultra Zero. I usually get a few cases of that, so I will get some of that. But I don't know, Red Bull may be interesting, so I will keep that in mind. Yeah, so I'm gonna head back down. I kind of passed up the water here that I like, the Fiji water, and it looks like it's a little sale on it, so I'll get a couple of cases of that. I will pin on the top. I usually sell the Fiji for $2. And made it over here, so now I'm looking for a few snack items. Let's see. I've been thinking about these Kellogg's for my machine. I'll probably grab a box. Yeah, they look about the size of maybe like a power bar. And I'm not that familiar with that brand. Oh, well, I'll just get a couple of the Kellogg's here. Okay. And I like the Belvita items, but I'm looking for the ones that have energy, or that say the energy snacks. I found the regular ones don't sell. And yeah, I'm just kind of browsing around, just trying to get ideas of things, prices. I do put the Nutri-Grain in there. It's like 36 pack. Let's see. And just some new items, maybe to think about. Granola bars I do get. I get the protein bar one as well. Empty. Okay, made it to the first machine for today. Yesterday I did 3. Today I'm doing 2. And yeah, just gonna get started. At the end, I have the receipt, which totaled $514.78 from my Sam's trip, as well as the cash collected from all 5 over my 2 days. So please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Never get